In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send collab request in Instagram via Hootsuite. This is a quick way to invite another Instagram account to collaborate on a post, which can help improve reach and engagement. I will walk you through each step in a clear order, so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, open Hootsuite and look for the option to start a new post. Click Create. When you click Create, Hootsuite will bring you to the Publishing Setup screen. Take a moment to confirm you are in the Composer area, because this is where you will choose the Instagram destination for your collaboration request. Next, you need to select the correct social network inside Hootsuite. Choose Instagram. This matters because the workflow and options you see will match Instagram posting. Once Instagram is selected, the screen should update to show the upload and caption tools that are specific to Instagram. Now you are ready to add your media. Upload your photo or video. Select the file from your computer or device, depending on what Hootsuite supports in your browser. After the upload finishes, check that the thumbnail or preview looks correct. If it is the wrong file, replace it now, so your collab request is tied to the right post. After your media is added, you can write your caption. Add your caption in the caption field. Keep the text exactly how you want it to appear on Instagram. This part is important because the caption goes along with the post that the collaborator will be invited to join, so it should already reflect your final message. Once your caption is ready, you will scroll to find the collaborator option. Scroll to invite collaborators. Hootsuite places this section a bit lower on the page, so just continue down until you see the invitation controls. This is the part where you tell Hootsuite which Instagram account should receive the collaboration request. When you reach Invite Collaborators, you will enter the Instagram username of the account you want to invite. Enter the Instagram username in the collaborator field. Be careful to type the username correctly, without extra spaces. Using the correct handle ensures the right person or brand account receives your request. After entering the username, you may see an account suggestion or a matching option appear in the list. Select the account. This helps confirm that Hootsuite connects the collaboration request to the correct Instagram profile, rather than a similar-looking handle. Now you are close to the finish, and the last thing you need to decide is timing. Look for the posting options at the bottom, where you can either send it immediately or schedule it. Click Post Now or Schedule for later, depending on your preference. If you post now, the request will be sent as soon as Hootsuite publishes the post. If you schedule, choose the date and time you want, and Hootsuite will handle the publishing at the planned moment. As a final check, review that your media preview, caption, and collaborator selection are all correct before you confirm the posting action. This helps avoid situations where the wrong caption or the wrong collaborator was chosen. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.